Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Where are y'all going? You're running somewhere fast. Yeah. Oh, mercy. Faster, faster, faster. Let's get a close-up of Molly. See if she'll show us her teeth. What are you doing in there? Say no. No teeth for you today. Uh-huh. Let's go over and see Sam, who's busy watching Molly. Sam! Oh, goodness. So we're both teething, so we like to gag ourselves by chewing on our hands, which causes a coughing fit. Yeah. Say all right. Say peace out.